answer some of these questions first. All right. Okay. Let's start from this backing up. Let me show you how to back up. So if you want to do this, the first thing you need to do is what
Mm.
go to your control panel. So if you can search for control panel,
On my PC.
yeah, on your PC, right? So yours should be displayed like this. It might be displayed like this or like this. So you just need to change it to either this or more like this. All right. So the first thing you do is what go to a backup and what restore. Right. I guess you're using Windows 10, so it will be showing exactly what I am showing you.
Yes.
Yeah. So on your own now, what you should be saying is like there's a button that you would see right on the right side. When
Yeah,
you
I'm
see
coming.
backup and restore, you will see a text.
Mm.
You see a text that is written here that says backup and restore. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to plug in your flash drive. So I'm going to plug in my flash drive now. Right. My flash drive is plugged in. I just plugged in my flash drive and here's my flash drive, right?
Okay.
I'm going to restore this. Maybe I open it the second time. So search for control panel, open the control panel, go to backup and restore. Then you come here. If yours is showing like this already, if you are doing this, you should just click on backup and restore that is written here, and you click
I
on it.
can't see what you are doing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You say you can't see what I'm doing. It's not
Yeah,
showing.
you are still on Microsoft Word. Ye- Yes. It's still on Microsoft Word. I can see now.
Okay, I guess it's your network then. So this is what I was showing
Okay.
you. Okay, on yours because you have not done a backup before, you should see a text here saying backup
Mm.
and restore. When you click on backup and restore, what it's going to do is it's going to show you um this dialog box. Okay, and it's going to open up this page for you. Now here you are going to select that particular external hard drive or flash drive that you want to back up to. When you do this, you're going to click on next. Then what you do is that you click on let me choose. When you click on let me choose, you go to the next. Then you select, you check the folders you want to back up. Things like your documents, your music, your pictures, you want to back them up. Things that are on your desktop,
Mm.
not necessarily things that are on your download. So after you've done that, once you click on next, okay, and you just click on save settings and run backup.
Yes.
Okay, once you click on save settings and run backup, it's going to make it begin to back up on your files on your system. So everything you're backing up is going to appear on your flash drive or your hard drive, and you see them. You can always locate that backup on your hard drive whenever you open it. So that's how to set up your backup. Then next is backing up to remote drives. Um, let's just answer the few questions under this. It says, list a few of cloud-based backup services. You have Dropbox, you have Microsoft OneDrive, you have Google Drive, you have Apple iCloud, you have Amazon AWS. All right. What you do is that you're going to research some of these services. You find out that you say, are these services free? Yes, most of them are free. Most of them are free, but the free tier of all these um, backup services here are limited to a particular amount of storage. For example, Google Drive is limited to 15 gig, OneDrive is limited to 5 gig, Apple iCloud, I'm not sure, right? So you could check them out and you see Amazon WS. There are limitations, okay, to all of this. Then the next one says, are these services listed by you platform dependent? Yes, Some of them are platform dependent. So, for example, now iCloud, you can only use iCloud on iOS devices. Okay, you can only back up to your iCloud from your iOS devices. Okay, then can you access your data from all devices you own? Yes, exactly. You can access cloud-based backup services from all platforms, whether your mobile device, your laptop, your tablet, right, or your desktop. So next, we're going to try to use Dropbox. So I said you should visit dropbox.com. Okay, you create an account. You can also download the Dropbox app when you open it. For example, if I should click and open this now, I'll be able to create an account and download the Dropbox. Oops, open it. Okay, hyperlink, and I'm going to paste it. So this is Dropbox website. And you can download the app, right? You can download the desktop app, you can download the mobile app. So this gives you the ability to back up your devices on those different applications, right? So after you have done that, you should be able to answer the reflection questions here. So that will be all for the backup. Then lastly, this one is one that you're going to actually do more research on. So what I'm just going to give you a background um, introduction to it. So look at this now. It says social media and online storage have become an integral part of many people's life. For example, your life, you're on social media. You will find out that so many people live their lives on social media and they upload files, videos, uh, make friends, share documents and files within friends. So online collaboration meetings are conducted in the workplace with people who are mainly miles from each other, right? And the storage of data is no longer limited to just the device you access locally, which is your probably your phone or your laptop. Now, they said the geographical location of storage device is no longer a limiting factor for storing or backing up data at remote location. In this lab, you're going to explore legal agreement requirements to various online services. You will also explore some of the ways you can protect your data. Now, let's look at this. We're going to explore some terms of service policy, right, that are available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, all right, for online storages, iCloud, Dropbox, OneDrive. So after you are going, this one is going to take a long time. So you have to do this yourself. So you have to open this link up, right, and read their privacy policy. You can see terms of use, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at. It's not just too long. So we're looking at the policies. You can see policies, right? We said
Yeah.
explore the terms of service policy. So you can see this is terms of service, and there's also privacy policy. So if you read this particular documentation, you get to discover whether Facebook have the liberty to use your pictures that you post online, whether they have the liberty to uh, use your pictures for training data, AI data, big data, you get to see all those things. All these different platforms, they have terms of use. And you don't know, you will get to discover whether you truly own your data that's online or Facebook owns your data that's online. So you get to understand why and how AI is able to generate a particular person's picture or generate a random photo. And it's very easy because they have a stack and data of plenty, so many photos that they have used or stored in a data bank that the AI use machine learning to learn and use it to generate new faces. All right. Remember, you can do image generation now with almost every AI out there, with Meta, with ChatGPT, with Google, with Gemini, the Google, formerly Google Bard. So you can do picture generation with them right now. And how are they able to do this picture generation? Because they have data, a chunk of data of people's photographs that they use to train their machine learning model and teach the model how to what generate what and what this is. For example, what an environment is, explaining what an AC is, what a boy is, who a girl is, and the AI is able to generate do image generation for them. So all those things are just in a summary. So you get to understand most of all these things. After you have studied the policies, terms of use, you get to know how to control your data. And in conclusion, is that you would know how much data you should put online. You can see this part two says, do you know what you signed up for? Are you really sure you know what you signed up for? Right. So when I say, do you know what you signed up for? Do you know what you signed up for when you registered on Facebook? Do you know what you signed up for when you registered on Instagram, on YouTube,
I
on
don't read
TikTok?
it.
Okay, so most of us we did not read all those things. We just clicked on next. I agree, I accept. And many Nigerians are fond of that. I had a friend who read all the terms and policies of Pennywise, and when he read it, he told me everything that he read. He said he's not going to interact with Pennywise because part of their policies or terms of use that if some whatever happens to the organization, if they crash by any means, that you will not be able to hold them responsible for your funds, right? So which means you cannot sue them for moving closing down with your funds. So that's a very very wrong thing to do. You are holding people's money and you close down, meaning that all the money becomes your own. That it doesn't make any sense, you see. But many of us we just don't read all those things because we're going to see a very very long documentation of plenty very big grants that we don't want to engage, and we end up signing up for something that we never wanted to sign up for. So that will be it for today. In our next class, we'll move straight to operating systems. Okay, we'll do I'll try and see if we can just be even purely practical. I'm going to enroll you on the operating system course, and you get to um, do some practicals on Windows operating system. Linux are going to be using a virtual machine. So you should download a virtual box, okay, and I'll make the um, virtual machines available for you to download, the virtual appliance, right, available for you to download.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
do you have any
The
question?
yeah, the last distance we treated on really the Facebook policy, Instagram.
Yeah,
Yeah, I will answer the question below.
okay.
Like I'm asking,
Yes, you answer the questions below.
is it for each site?
Not necessarily for each site. If you read it, you understand. So
Okay.
you look at this on what is the data use policy?
Yes.
What are the privilege privacy settings?
That's what I'm asking.
So
That
you
I will
check
answer it.
based on
Is
what
it
you
with
have read,
Facebook?
based on what
Facebook?
yes, based on everything you have read, you can answer it with anyone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Yes.
All right, so take care of yourself.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your weekend.
Have a nice day.